how to buy first crypto president token. So this token came under the symbol of Trump. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, before going to buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under the Ethereum network. Open your Bitget wallet or any wallet that you use. I will just log into my wallet. After that, select Ethereum as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here, and as you can see, I've added before. So go back to your wallet and find the token to buy it. So if you want to buy it via Uniswap, just go to Uniswap, as you can see here. Now, after that, what you need to do, go to Uniswap website. And now after that, I will just disconnect my wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, just click on connect here and connect your wallet. For that, I will use the MetaMask. Now after that, click on connect. And now after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, if you don't see the token here, go back to this screener, copy the token address here, go back to Uniswap, click here, and make sure to select the Ethereum from here as a network, paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it, click on continue. Now here select the token that you want to buy with, for example, the USDT or any wallet that you have on your, any token that you have on your wallet. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet and here type how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Uniswap. So this is how to buy Trump token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.